Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Ace Vacuums. We get a lot of calls about different things that we do, services that we offer. We are a repair center in Reston, Virginia. We're 15 minutes from the Reston Town Center. So if you're in the Reston area and you're in need of a vacuum repair or some warranty work, come by and see us here at Ace Vacuums. We are open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, and Sunday from 11 to 5. We handle all major brands from your Dyson, Shark, Hoover, Bissell, Miele, Simplicity, you name it. We pretty much do all the major brands and the warranty work for most of those companies. We also do robotic vacuums, stick vacuums, cordless vacuums, shampooers, and everything like that. Basically, how the repair process works is there's no appointment necessary. Just stop into our service center here at Ace Vacuums and bring your vacuum in. Once you bring it in, we do offer same day repair. So if you're in a rush and you need a vacuum done like ASAP, we do offer same day repair. Otherwise, you can leave the vacuum with us. We give you a claim check ticket. We tear the bottom off. You'll get the bottom receipt of that ticket. Our authorized service center technician will take a look at whatever vacuum that you have and give you a diagnosis on it. If it's a warranty work, we would need proof of purchase, receipts, and things like that. But if it's not anything inside the warranty, then just bring it in. We'll take a look at it. Once we diagnose what's wrong with the vacuum, our technician will then get an estimate for you. We will call you with that estimate. Once you approve the estimate, we'll get all the work done on the vacuum, and then when it's ready, we'll simply give you guys a call and say, hey, the vacuum's ready for pickup, or shoot you a text. If you have any questions, give us a call at 703-997-9292. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day.